Hello everyone, welcome back to Hiram Jaipurkar YouTube channel. I am your host Hiram Jaipurkar. Today we will be seeing how to effectively develop your communication skills as well as how to improve further on your communication skill. So first of all, what is communication? Communication, think of it like a two-way street, not just about talking but about also listening. Now, when we talk about communication, we must take an example, like I always give it in my videos. The example of a pizza. Think of communication like pizza. The toppings are your words, but the crust of the pizza is how you actually deliver it. Not merely only talking, speaking, or giving your opinions doesn't matter, but how you actually deliver it. The knowledge which you can deliver, the point which you can give is what matters into this skill. So I would suggest that most teenagers, the youth watching this video should sincerely focus on their communication skill, because this skill alone can take you from 0 to 99 in your work. The 1% remaining is your actual knowledge, is your experience. But how you communicate with others, how you express yourself, how you listen to others matters. So let us start this video, stick till the end, and we will focus on how to improve your communication skill. Let's get started. Communication is a two-way street. The author of a very famous book, How to Win Friends and Convince People, Dale Carnegie, elaborated that 70% of your communication in your day-to-day life is non-verbal. Only 30% of your words reach the other people. But 70% of your said things, of your body language is the thing which you deliver it. So we will focus on two main topics, verbal as well as non-verbal communication. Now, verbal communication is the words you are saying. So, the first tip which I will give is that be concise and appropriate. Do not brag on things, do not give excessive words, do not say excessive sentences, but say concisely and say appropriate things to the other person. No matter who you are talking with, friends, boss, colleagues, teachers, say appropriate things, say things which really matter. Do not mix up your words, do not mix up your emotions. The emotion which you feel should be the thing on your tongue. So deliver it nicely, say appropriate things, say concisely. Second tip which I will give in verbal communication is think before you speak. Sometimes what we do is 90% of the communication which happens in our day-to-day life is because we only tend to react. When we listen to other person, we don't listen with a focused mind, we don't listen with the carefulness, we don't listen with appropriate emotions, we only tend to react. Like अगर कोई हमको कुछ बोल रहा है तो हम सिर्फ उसको वापस बोलने के लिए ही देखते हैं. We don't think कि यार इसको समझना चाहिए उसके बाद हमको कुछ बोलना चाहिए. No, what we do is we react aggressively, we react in a millisecond. So that should be avoided. First listen what other person is saying, think what he wants from you, and then express yourself concisely, appropriately. So the second tip which is very important is that listen carefully and don't react immediately. The third tip in communication is detaching ourselves from the conversation, removing the I statements. Like I would do this, I like to do this. Don't brag on ourselves only. What we do, हम क्या करते हैं कि हमारे बारे में बात करते हैं हमेशा. 90% conversation is focused on ourselves. So what we must do is that remove ourselves from this situation, give our honest opinions, give the other person required attention and focus on themselves. सबसे ज्यादा जो कम्युनिकेटर्स अच्छे होते हैं, हम देखते हैं कि उनसे बात करने में हमको अच्छा लगता है. दे ट्राई टू टेंड द कन्वर्सेशन, रन द कन्वर्सेशन इन अ डिफरेंट मैनर. दे ट्राई टू फोकस ऑन अदर पीपल. जब हम अपने बारे में बात करते हैं ना, हमको बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है. सो व्हाट वी मस्ट डू टू बी लाइक्ड बाय अदर्स इज दैट फोकस द कन्वर्सेशन ऑफ देमसेल्व्स. These are the three tips in verbal communication which are very important. But again, only 30% of verbal communication is imprinted on the other person's mind. 70% is non-verbal. So now let's focus on non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication is like eye-to-eye contact or soul-to-soul connection. Non-verbal communication is we are expressing ourselves using our body, using our eyes, using our ears, using our mouth, using our brain to communicate. when the messages which we give through our body language is directly received by the others. Therefore this is 70% communication. Now body language is the first tip which I will give in non-verbal communication. Your body language when you are talking to someone gives a lot of impression about yourself. We always neglect our body language when we are talking to other person. Like अगर हम ऐसे खड़े हैं, like we are standing like this, then obviously he is not interested in talking with me. If I am listening like this, hands crossed, then we say that this person is a little defensive. He doesn't like to open up. So that's why the body language, your hands are like this. Steve Jobs, the founder of Apple and former CEO, he always had his hands like this. Steve Jobs always had his hands like this on a stage. This shows openness, like you're open to opportunities, you're open to other communication, you're open to other opinions. Like that, the hand movement is very very important. Like when we keep our hands in pocket like this, it shows I am not interested or I am hiding something, or this again shows that you are not that much interested into the communication, you are lame, or otherwise the most important thing which gives hands in pocket signal is that you think yourself as important than the others. And most important thing is your hand gestures. Hand gestures involves sign languages. Handshake, it must be solid, firm, but again not pressurized. The handshakes are important, hand gestures are important. How I am gesturing my hand right now, I am trying to express myself. I am not defensive, I am not trying to give a boring lecture here, but hand gestures are important. The third thing is eye contact. Eye contact in a non-verbal communication is immensely important. Eye contact shows that you are confident. Eye contact shows that you are not frightened of anyone. Again, we must not stare at someone for too long, make him conscious or her conscious. It should be soft, it should be brief, or it should be a connected eye contact, like you are really interested. What people do is that when talking with someone, they look at their watches, they look here and there when someone is talking to them. This shows your complete inappropriateness. This shows that you are not interested at all. When we maintain eye contact with someone, we develop a string of attachment with them. So that's why eye contact is very very important in terms of non-verbal communication. Practice eye contact in front of a mirror for minimum 1 minute a day, and you will immensely improve. The final things which are important in non-verbal communication is your tone of voice and your facial expression. How I deliver something, like I am trying to express myself, that's why my voice is coming from my throat. It is not coming from my mouth, it is not coming from my jaw, like I am shouting, "Arey!" This comes out of your jaw, this comes out of your mouth. But when you are trying to express yourself, when you are trying to convey something, when you are to pressure on a point, it must come out of your throat, it must come out of your chest when you are giving something a profound impact. Like I am giving a useful tip, so that's why my voice is coming out of my chest. So practicing this tone of voice, practicing to deliver at points, not just bragging, not just lamenting on a thing, but again it must be out of your chest, the point must be focused. Thing is your facial expression, how I am facially expressing myself. Like we always tend to ignore our faces when we are talking. We just try to give something, we just try to give some info, we just try to give some news. That must be seriously avoided. We must practice ourselves in front of a mirror, we must record ourselves in front of a camera, and then watch ourselves for the facial expression. Facial expression is very very important. Like I am angry, but मैं खुद का चेहरा गुस्से में बना ही नहीं रहा हूँ. मैं हंस के अगर किसी को कुछ समझा रहा हूँ तो वो तो जोकिंगली ही लेंगे. Like when I am angry, I must look angry. When I am sad, I must look sad. When I am telling a joke in my friend circle, I must first laugh myself, I must first smile, relax the environment, and then deliver a joke. That gives a very huge boost to your spoken words. Now, as we have seen verbal and non-verbal communication in depth, and I have given the tips to improve on your communication, I sincerely express my opinion that any teenager, any children, any person who is watching this video must from now only try to improve your communication, try to practice communication. Communication is a life skill like any other skill. It is a soft skill which is required in any domain you go. A doctor who is not able to express confidently, who is not able to give his opinions, is not a doctor at all. He must express ourselves. So communication is very very important in every domain of life. You must try, you must give your time for this skill from now on only. only practicing for 10 to 15 minutes a day can give a huge boost to your career, to your life. Any teenager who is watching this, any children who is watching this video, must practice as early as you can in your life. When you improve this skill, you will benefit immensely. Which I will recommend is that first is How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. It is one of the best books which I have read on how to improve your communication, how to negotiate properly, how to move in corporate world. The second book is Power by Robert Greene. This book is so much important in our day-to-day life. It showcases how to act in different situations, what not to speak and what to speak is given in this book. The third book is How to Read People Like a Book. This book is by an ex-FBI agent on non-verbal communication especially. It elaborates immensely on hand gestures, on your body language, on your foot alignment, everything. So these three books are a must-read for. Three tips which I will give for improving communication which you can practice daily is practice with a friend daily. We must practice. हम सिर्फ बातचीत करते हैं, पागलपंती करते हैं, मस्ती करते हैं दोस्तों के साथ. But this is a thing which we can do with our friends. Communication practicing. This helps immensely with a friend. Try to speak in English, Hindi, Marathi, any language. Language is not a barrier. It is just a mere expression. So practice with a friend daily the communication. Like ask them reviews on your body language, on your ability to deliver some topics. The second tip is that practice in front of a mirror daily. Mirror gives us the reflection of ourselves. This reflection should be dealt appropriately. This must be given appropriate importance. So practice in front of a mirror. Try to express yourself for 1 to 2 minutes and you will eventually improve by seeing yourself. The third tip is that it is really simple, is that record yourself delivering something in front of a camera and then watch it and improve on the things which you are not good at. In a camera, we are very much simple. We are camera sabke paas hota hai. So record yourself. Try to do things which you have never done before. Okay. Hope this video was some help to you. I have given all my knowledges and with topics which you want me to deliver on my YouTube channel. I will definitely make videos on that. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, X, which was formerly Twitter, and I will react immediately. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you like this video and it was some help to you. Again, like, share, subscribe and share this video to anyone who wants to improve on their communication. Again, you can comment everything. आप कुछ भी comment कर सकते हो on this video, on the topics which you like. I can make and I will surely deliver the video on them. Important announcement which I will give is that I am starting a podcast series with some of my colleagues which have earned huge things in their life, some industry experts, some people who are at highest level in their career, and we will be having a fruitful conversation and we will ask questions. You can directly ask them questions through live videos or anything. You can post them on your handles and we will surely see. The first podcast will be releasing soon. This is a series which I will be developing, and subscribe the channel definitely, share with your friends. Thanks a lot again for watching. I will see you again.